What is up, you beautiful people, and welcome back. In our previous videos, we saw how to download and install the Eagle software. Then we saw how to place the components, how to replace the components, how to delete a component, and how to wire them. About some tools which are on the left side, we saw about all of these, right? Now, in this video, we are going to make a circuit, a simple circuit. I'm going to make this series very small so that you guys can understand it very easily. So, let's get started with this video. So let's start building a simple schematic. Okay, we are using 555 timer to make a LED blinker circuit. It's a very small and simple. It has very few components. I'll just do it very quickly. Let me show you the diagram circuit which we are gonna do. Okay, so this is a circuit which we are going to create right now. Okay, here we have a 555 timer. We have 1, 2, 3 resistors, 1 capacitor. This is the LED, that's the power supply, and this is the ground. But it uses 9 volts, but we are going to use 5 volts. 5 volts is enough for a 555 timer to just blink an LED. That's more than enough. And grounds and power supply, we are going to create it separately. How we are going to create, you have to watch the video. So this is the circuit which you are going to create. So first what we need, a 555 timer, 3 LEDs and 1 capacitor, right? Let me minimize this. Right now, as you know, to add parts, we have a section here called add. When you hover over it, you can just see in the bottom over here. Okay, here we have add parts section. Let's go to that. Now, to search for a 555 timer, there is an easy trick. What we need to do is go in search bar. Instead of typing 555, just start with pressing star 555, and you can see already star. What this does is, then click on enter. What this does is 555 starting with some words and ending with some words. Like the components which have 555 in them, it starts sorting them. Here you can see 4 555. This one, that's a dual. Then here is a 555 with 00077. That's like different varieties in them. There's BTS 555, then star 555 timer. We're not gonna use this one, but the one which we are gonna use is any 555. Okay, this is the timer circuit which we are gonna use, because if you guys remember, this is the one which is in the circuit. All right, so let's do it small also. Let's keep it up. So we're gonna use this. Let's click OK. We got the component. Wherever you wanna place, you can place it. I'll just place it over here. Then you still have a component. To get rid of it, just click escape, then cancel. That's it, you got away from the component. Now we need 3 resistors, but here we go back. Then just remove the star 555, then click enter. Everything gets resorted. Here we have RAS, resistor, capacitor, inductors written clearly. We need 3 resistors, so you can choose any style, European style or the American style. I mean the US style. I'll go for the US one. Okay, so let's select the design. Okay, these are the resistors which I want, because that specific ones can be soldered very easily. Okay, so we had 3, just place them 3 randomly. We can get rid of them very easily, or we can place them very easily. Now we had capacitors, right? We had 1 capacitor. To find a capacitor, over here it is EU or US. Again, I'm gonna go with the US style. Let me search a good one. Yeah, this one's, no, that's big one. Yeah, this is better. Let's okay, and just place a capacitor right here and escape. We got out of here. Now we know that there are 3 resistors, 1 capacitor. We need to connect them in this circuit, right? This is a circuitry form which we need to connect them. All right, now here we have 6 and 2 shorted. All right, 2 and 1 has a capacitor between them. So let's start connecting it. 2 and 1 have capacitor in between them, so we can just bring this capacitor right here. Why isn't it moving? Because we need to select the move tool right here. So once you select it, we can move it easily. Okay, I'm placing it right here. Okay, yeah, this will be fine. Now let's go to wire. Here is a label. No, that's an arc. Here is a wire. Select on 2. You can just zoom in. Okay, to zoom in, we have option over here. That not that big. Just we do fit the screen. Then select here, then get here, then we got it. Then to get it, click escape. Then again we need a wire to connect it to 1. It's still on wire. You know, I'm just making a simple one. We can organize this. See, this is going in the form of our, you know, the angle, but we don't need that. We need 90 degrees, so we can just select it over top. So let's go here, click here, and click here. Okay, now get rid of the wire. Now check it out. We have connected 2 to 1. Got it? We have a ground there. We'll give it. But here in between 6 and 7, we have a resistor. All right. Take a resistor. Go to move between 6 and 7. Now enter. Click. Hold the resistor and do right click. Okay. You can place it however you want. I'm placing it right here. You can see the grid is not snapping. About the grid I'll speak in the next videos. Okay, don't worry about that. So once you come over here, take a wire, connect it. No, see again it went back to the angles. So let's select this incline, you know, the 90 degrees. Then go back to wire. Then keep it here. Yep, we connected this. This is done. Now, after connecting this, between 7 and 4, we have another resistor. Keep it right here. Then let's go to add parts. Then go to LEDs. We have LEDs in here. Okay, in LEDs also there are different kind of LEDs. Like, see, let me show you LED here. Yeah, smart timer. You know, they are very different ones. So, all right. Once you come to the LED section, you can go to LED 3mm or 5mm. Let's go with 3mm, that's enough, or you can even select 5 or 10 depending on the size. 3mm is good. Let's click it OK, and let's change the direction. Alright, let's click escape to get rid of it. Now in the circuit, if you guys can remember, it is down, correct, right? We need to correct the polarities correctly, guys. Anode and cathode, that's important, right? So let's go to wire and start wiring it. See, again there is an angle. So set the angle back to 90 degrees, escape. Now, as this is connected, here we need to place ground and we need to place, let me fit the screen. Yeah, we need to place ground and we need to place power supplies, right? So to place that, go back again. So once you come into the add path section, you can search for supply. We got the supply, there are 2, but let's go with the first one. Here you can see there are 3 volts, 5 volts, 12 volts. Yeah, you know, the voltages are increasing and negative voltages are also available, but what we need a 5 volts, right? Just select on 5 volts, click OK, and let's move it up and place one over here. Okay, let's escape it, cancel. Now here we have it connected to pin number 8 and 4, right in the middle, which means here this is connected, right? Once you place the 5 volts, it was connected between 8 and 4, right? Just keep it over here, not a problem. See, as the 5 volts is connected between 8 and 4, just take a wire. You can click anywhere. See again the angles. Let's go back and keep it to angles and click here. Are we gonna allow this to the supply? Yes, we are. Click it yes and click escape. Now go on I, click on this. This whole unit is power supplied. Yes, so we got a power supply to the whole unit, which means the power is dividing between here and going to the resistor, right? Power is dividing to the 3 channels. Wonderful. Now what to do next? We need to label them. We need to see here between 4 and 7, which means this resistor, the R2, is 1 kilo ohms. So let's quickly name them. Let's go and name them. It's R2. Oh no, not R2. Let's give them a value. I'm sorry. Let's give them a value of 1K. 1K and click it OK. Then we got 1K over here, right? Now for R1, let me go back. Between 7 and 6 over here, we have a resistor of 470 kilo ohms. So let's click here, 470K. Everything is in ohms, so 470K, not a problem. Now here we have another one which is between 4 and 7, 1K. Another one is also 1K, so let's click right here and click it 1K. Just click 1K and done. Boom. Now we have a cap over here. So for the capacitor, it's 1 mu f, which is 1 microfarad. So I click 1 U and F, small f. That's my keyboard, I'm sorry. So 1 mu f, done. So we have almost given names to all of the, we have labeled them all. Now let me try moving this. See, it is moving the line, but not the, we can't individually move, the R1 or 470K. Why? Because it's connected with the component. What to do to move them? Select the component. Here there are other properties. Go and smash, click it. What it does is, if you guys can see, let me zoom in and go near the component here. What it did is, we had a plus symbol to move, right? We got that for the 470K as well as the R1. Why? Because we smashed them, we separated them. Now, if I select this, if I select a move tool and move this, it's already moving. And there is a black line, if you guys can see, over the component, which help us to guide where the component is located. Simple, right? Let me fit the screen again. Here, let me show you guys. See here, it is moving. Even if I keep it here and click on it, I know that that's related to that resistor. Simple. What we did, we selected the component, we went to smash. If you do unsmash, it's gone. But it's okay. We can use smash over here. Select a smash, then go to move tool, then select the component and place it right over here. Now let's go to this component, then smash it, then go to move tool, and with move tool, let's place it properly. I want this here, I want this right here, 1K, then this goes here. That's it. Voila, this looks so beautiful. You just created, a good, neat and looking schematic, but it is very big. But don't worry, we're gonna do it small in the PCB designing. I just did it so that you guys can know how to connect it. But once you go to the board view, you're gonna change everything. No worries. Now here, we connected the power supply. Wonderful. But what about the ground? Here, in this circuit, if you see, 2 and 1 are connected over here, if you see, and we have a ground, one ground over here, and we have another ground for the LED, right? 2 grounds are needed. So let's go back to our parts, obviously. Then GND, you can use, these are different kind of GNDs, okay? But which we are gonna use is the simple one, GND, ground. Click OK, place one over here, and place right one over here, and escape, cancel, then go to wire, select it, connect it, that's it. Your schematic is ready. You won't believe me? Let me show you. Here, check it out. We have connected everything in this circuit right over here, right? Not at all a problem. It was very simple and easy. Now you may see, Rafiq, the LED lights are like this, in the other direction. No worries, just select the component, you can mirror it. Done. It's simple. Okay, so this is how we connect the schematic of a circuit. In the next video, we're gonna see the board view, how to go to a board view and how to create your PCB. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till here. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel and share it to your friends. This is gonna be a complete series about how to design your PCB in your easy way. EagleSoftware is one of the easiest software to learn PCB designing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.